so I wonder if you could guess my title. My first encounter with the word clouds was through Wordle. This was the first word cloud I really loved, and it's still one of my favorites because it's so lovely and so visually pleasing to me. The word cloud on this page is, and the next one, which I used, for which I will use another word cloud application, Worded Out, is a collection of words which I used in my blog post, and they're all about word clouds. So you can see how you can see a collection of words, which helps you possibly predict the content of a text. Here is another word cloud. This is a newer edition of word clouds, and they're called My Word Clouds beta version. And it's also quite attractive with nice, large size letters. And the next one that you can see is made with Mosaic at a place called Image Chef. And I really like this one because it uses all the words, and you can do quite a lot more with it from a point of view of language. Yet another version is Worded Out, and you can see that you can play with characters. They can look as if they were handwriting. I wonder if you can guess the content of this particular WordNet. I've used, as you notice, the same theme just to show you the potential of different word clouds. This is made with WordSift, and WordSift is lovely because on the page where you get WordSift, although the word cloud itself is not so fantastic maybe, you can also get a page of the visual thesaurus. And if you see, this is a different version of it, where the words, by clicking on the most common or most rare words, you can see the words coming from the most rare, which is plant, and I can't see the other one, and day, which is the most common one. The newest addition to the word cloud repertoire is Tuxedo, which sounds like a tuxedo or a sneeze or maybe some sort of new medicine, but it's actually beautiful, visually so lovely. And although you're not allowed to have animations here, if you go to tuxedo.com, you will see how lovely it is. All these were prediction activities for you to be able to read my blog post, which is on word clouds. And this is what you can do with text in your class. You can show word clouds, and I think this is a classic activity. But I want to move away from this one and also point to maybe a couple of other uses and combinations with other applications, and maybe the literary function. Can anybody guess which book of D.H. Lawrence this word cloud has been made from? This is the same text from made with My Word Cloud, and as you see here, the text is thicker and possibly easier for students to work with vocabulary, to find collocations, to create a story. Yes, well done, it's Sons of Lovers. And also, it's great to do characters. My word cloud here, which is made with Wordle, is a text from a text which is from SparkNotes about a character from one of Jane Austen's novels, and I don't know if you could guess which character it was. I also want to point out the poetic, yes, Pride and Prejudice, the poetic function. By using Mosaic, which I really love because it uses all the words, you can give all the words of a poem to the students and get them to write their own version of a poem. And then, if you want to get out of word clouds, because word clouds are fine, but that's not the only thing we should be using, you can get the students into a voice program like Voxopop, where they can comment on their poems, they can recite the poems, or you can take them into a talkbook where they can record themselves as one of the characters in a novel, and other students can go and listen to them, and they can guess. This is one of me doing a Melina Mercouri number, which nobody could guess. Some people thought I was doing it in peachy, but then, he always wears glasses. But I also like the fact that you can combine word clouds with other things, like here I've combined with pictures to do some TDL lessons. And this one is a word cloud from a true story, and perhaps you could guess what it is. When the students try to make their guesses, you can take them maybe to a voice thread where I've uploaded the same image, and I've asked them to go over there and record their own version of the story, and then finally, when they've recorded their own versions, I get to record the final story myself. You can use them with video. Here it's the New Year's resolutions from Bridget Jones' diary, and you can get them to make New Year's resolutions out of this word cloud, and then you can get them to YouTube where you can play the excerpt. And I think this is my last slide.